So to change the default profile for my terminal, so when I open here a new terminal, so new window, so it opens with the same profile, so this black background, this white output. um, if I go here, I can open it with a another profile that's not the default. I can pick one, and I have this grass with this green background. If I want to make this my default, I need to go here to terminal, settings, and make this default. So I can see here grayed out the default one. It's the basic. If I pick grass here and type here down below default, now my grass profile is the default one. I can close here and I can open here a new terminal, and it opens with my new default default profile.